I'm not doing this again. Caleb? Yeah? I love you.
your wheel isn't straight, I mean, if I have that much steering in, I've got brake in as well. I'm still in the throttle. Just remember that when you guys build it, that you need to keep the brake and the gas on in order to get these things to turn. Okay. So, and there's a big corner up here.
Is that like what left foot braking is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a big corner up here where you'll hear the motor kind of go brr. It sounds like I lift, but I'm just mashing the brake to get it to turn. And then when you come out of the brake, you're back in. And especially these turbo cars, these STs are like a light switch. The turbo spool is just stupid.
I have a Focus ST. They're awesome.